A fabulous Friday morning to all. It's Mortgage Market Insight on October the 12th. Paul Walton from Cherry Creek Mortgage Company. This morning's opening at 105.34. Nice stair step up here, pounding out the bottom. Support being at about 104.80 at this point in time. If we do approach, we're getting to about that 50% correction from the top of the market here. So if we hit 105.60 short term, pretty much lock it up. These were not pretty days here, signaling that we could have actually drifted down, and that still is a possibility, so do be very cautious. In terms of news so far this morning, we had prelim consumer sentiment coming from University of Michigan at 83.1. That's huge because the last time we hit that was September of '07. So consumers are feeling good, but also reports, and we'll get into this in a minute. Let's look at trading so far this morning. Our opening at 105.34. Choppy trading leading up to now, coming back to 105.31 at this point in time. We could see a little bit of a profit taking going on today. So we had consumer sentiment jumping up, and we also had core PPI coming in flat at 0 month over month, so no risk of inflation. Short term, probably at this point wouldn't be a bad idea to lock. The markets are going to be rallying on this. If we go back, let's go back to a 3-month look view and see the top of the market being September-ish. And here we are. So if we hit about a 50% correction in here, anytime we're around 105.60 or whatever, the top of the market being 106, lock it. Backing up to a max view, you can see this is the land of milk and honey at this point with where interest rates are. And interest rates most likely will be going up after the election because, why? Some of these reports may be skewed a little bit, especially with the unemployment numbers coming down under 8%, number one. And number two, the amount of debt that we're going to have to address in the fiscal cliff that we're approaching. So be cautious. Hopefully we'll close above 105.30 as the day progresses. Have a fabulous weekend. I will be back to you on Monday morning. And we'll also go into a little bit more detail on Operation Cash Flow.